we guide you through how to get your Telegram chat ID in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Telegram app on your phone or desktop and make sure you are logged in into the correct account. Next, go to the search bar at the top and type user info bot. This is the trusted Telegram bot that instantly shows your user details. Tap the bot from the results, then press start to activate it. Within seconds, you'll see a message displaying your chat ID along with your username and other basic information. If you need the group chat ID instead, open the Telegram group you want, add the user info bot to that group, and send my message or any message like hello. Then return to the boot's chat and it will automatically generate group's chat ID for you. Remember, chat's ID are typically long numbers and group IDs often starts with a minus signs, so don't worry if it looks unusual. That's completely normal. Once you have the ID, simply tap and hold the number to copy it, then paste it whenever it's required, such as boot settings or automation platforms.